Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you guys about combining composite modes on today's video. So I have this shot here and it fades into this other cloud shot. And on the second shot, the composite mode I chose was Hardlight, and I just adjusted the opacity a little bit. So it kind of leaves a little bit of these exchanges between the different colors. But then at the end of this, I wanted it to fade just into the full strength regular shot. Now, in order to do that, you can't actually change your composite mode in the middle of a edit. So I added some keyframes for the fade between the hard light version, and it goes to 100%. And then essentially I did an option drag and copied the clip up above and then trimmed it where I wanted the fade to start. And on the second clip here, I just pulled the fade handle on the clip and didn't even touch the composite mode. So now we go from this first cloud shot with the water here into the cloud shot where the hard light composite mode is active. And then about halfway through that, I start blending in the regular shot. So now by the time we reach the end of this clip, we're now into the full shot. Otherwise it would have looked like this with this hard light composite still. And I wanted it to start fading fully into this cloud shot. And when I say option drag or option copy, if you add a full clip here, select it, hold the option key and drag it up, and that'll make a copy and leave your bottom clip intact. And then you could just drag it. It's now still in time. So if our playhead was here and we went back and forth, that's the exact same frame. So that's a way you can drag the clip and make a copy if you were going to do something similar to this. So that is combining composite modes. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.